Meet Julie Okely, founder of All First Nations magazine and website, Australia's First Nations marketplace and directory in one. Julie is the founder behind the largest online platform for First Nations sellers in Australia. Introducing All First Nations, a 100% Indigenous-owned website that provides a platform for every Indigenous business, service, product, education, events, and art created by First Nations peoples. With a unique design system built into this site, All First Nations provides a way for all Indigenous suppliers, from small to large, to be located on this one online resource. The aim of All First Nations is to bring our Indigenous network together with an economic, social, and sustainable mission. We have a list of 90 Indigenous suppliers have registered, and Julie is looking for more. All First Nations targets all Australian and international customers to connect and purchase with our listed Indigenous suppliers by using 3 simple and targeted search filters, including the Geographical locator and innovative search software. By using the All First Nations platform, buyers can find First Nations listed sellers, and you can buy from multiple suppliers at the same time in one order. The map of Indigenous Australians shows the specific mob regions and their country locations within Australia. This way, you can find products or services in your region. This platform also lists events, education, and artists, along with their cultural artwork and NFTs too. This is a 100% Indigenous-owned First Nations social enterprise, and the aim is to keep it that way. All First Nations provides a digital platform and the AFN magazine for you, the Indigenous suppliers, to market your offerings to the online global community. You just need to tick a couple boxes. Join the All First Nations platform today by going to allfirstnations.com.au and adding your details to create your very own profile. Let's work together to control the narrative and support Indigenous peoples and buy from Indigenous-owned platforms. Yama and I wish to acknowledge and pay my respects to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander cultures, and to the traditional owners of the lands we live, gather, and work on. I acknowledge that respect to our elders, past and present, and our emerging leaders, along with all our First Nations community.